In the blink of an eye, artificial intelligence is rewriting the script of human existence. This isn't a distant future. It's happening now, transforming every moment of our daily lives in ways we're only beginning to understand. Gone are the days of blaring alarms and rushed mornings. Your smart home now knows more about your well-being than you do. AI now understands you. It knows when you've had a restless night and adjusts your schedule before you even wake up. Your coffee? Brewed exactly how you like it. Your news? Curated for your interests. Your breakfast? Recommended based on your health goals. This isn't luxury. It's everyday life in the age of AI. Every small adjustment, every unseen optimization is artificial intelligence quietly working behind the scenes. It's not just smart, it's intuitive. The workplace of tomorrow, no, the workplace of today, is being completely reconstructed by artificial intelligence. Imagine an assistant that doesn't just respond to commands, but anticipates your needs, predicts challenges, and optimizes your workflow. Such as it schedules your calls before you realize you need them, summarizes hours of research in seconds, and even drafts your emails in your own tone. Some AI workplace revolution. Automated meeting summaries and smart scheduling, AI-driven content creation, and research assistance. Real-time language translation, breaking communication barriers, predictive analytics, spotting problems before they arise. The result? You work smarter, not harder. While you focus on ideas, AI handles the details, turning productivity into an art form. Machine learning algorithms now process information at speeds unimaginable just years ago. What once took weeks of human analysis now happens in milliseconds, with remarkable precision. Ever wish you had a personal coach for every part of your life? AI is stepping into that role, helping you think sharper, learn faster, and grow in ways that once seemed impossible. How AI is boosting personal development. Personalized learning apps that adapt to your skills. AI-powered mental health assistants offering real-time support. Career coaching algorithms mapping out your next move. Emotional intelligence training, helping people communicate better. This isn't about replacing human potential. It's about amplifying it. AI isn't just a tool. It's a mirror reflecting your best self and a mentor guiding you toward it. But with every leap forward, there's a question we must answer. Are we in control, or is AI controlling us? Some of the biggest AI challenges are data privacy. Who owns your personal information? Algorithmic bias. Does AI make fair decisions? Deepfake technology? Can we trust what we see online? Ethical AI development? Who decides AI's moral code? When artificial intelligence understands us better than we understand ourselves, do we gain power? Or do we lose it? We're standing at the edge of a revolution. Not one of machines replacing people, but of technology unlocking human potential like never before. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. The question is, how will you shape the AI-powered world around you?